Hey there, I'm excited to share my journey with you. I'm a young entrepreneur, and my goal was to earn money online. I started this adventure because I wanted the freedom and flexibility that comes with working for yourself. In this video, I'll walk you through exactly how I made my first $100 online. Stick around because the method I use might surprise you. So, I spent a lot of time researching different ways to make money online. There are so many options out there: affiliate marketing, freelancing, taking surveys, or even selling a service. After weighing the pros and cons, I chose the method that worked best for me. And let me tell you, it was a game changer. Now let's dive into the setup process. I used some really helpful tools and platforms like Fiverr, Canva, ClickBank, and Upwork. Creating my profile and content took some effort, but it was totally worth it. I'll explain how I set everything up step by step so you can follow along and do it too. Be honest about how long it took. Explain what you did to promote or attract customers, like using social media, SEO, or maybe even cold pitching. What you delivered, and how you made sure it was high quality. Share any customer feedback or lessons learned along the way. How the payment came in, and what platform you used, whether it was PayPal, Payoneer, or another service. Encourage viewers to take action. Mention the biggest mistake or thing you do differently. Invite them to ask questions or subscribe for more guides.